Welcome to the International Linguist Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is lesson 32 of the Learn French vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to nature and environment. Stay focused and enjoy the learning process. Let's start off with the vocabulary set. Tree, l'arbre, flower,
la fleur,
river, la rivière, mountain,
la montagne,
forest,
la forêt,
ocean,
l'océan,
lake,
le lac,
rain,
la pluie,
Sunday,
le soleil,
moon,
la lune,
star,
l'étoile,
grass,
l'herbe,
rock,
la roche,
sky,
le ciel,
beach,
la plage,
wind,
le vent,
earth,
la terre,
cloud,
le nuage,
desert,
le désert,
island,
l'île.
That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set. Environment,
L'environnement,
climate,
le climat,
pollution,
la pollution,
ecosystem,
l'écosystème,
biodiversity,
la biodiversité,
conservation,
la conservation,
sustainability,
la durabilité,
wildlife,
la faune,
deforestation,
la déforestation,
habitat,
l'habitat,
renewable energy,
l'énergie renouvelable,
greenhouse effect,
l'effet de serre,
recycling,
le recyclage,
natural disaster,
la catastrophe naturelle,
global warming,
le réchauffement climatique.
That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the sentences.
L'arbre est grand et vert.
The tree is tall and green.
L'arbre est grand et vert.
The tree is tall and green.
La fleur est belle.
The flower is beautiful.
La fleur est belle.
The flower is beautiful.
La rivière est calme.
The river is calm.
La rivière est calme.
The river is calm.
La forêt est dense.
The forest is dense.
La forêt est dense.
The forest is dense.
Le soleil brille fort.
The sun shines brightly.
Le soleil brille fort.
The sun shines brightly.
L'environnement doit être protégé.
The environment must be protected.
L'environnement doit être protégé.
The environment must be protected.
La pollution est un problème sérieux.
Pollution is a serious problem.
La pollution est un problème sérieux.
Pollution is a serious problem.
L'écosystème est fragile.
The ecosystem is fragile.
L'écosystème est fragile.
The ecosystem is fragile.
La biodiversité est importante.
Biodiversity is important.
La biodiversité est importante.
Biodiversity is important.
La durabilité est nécessaire pour l'avenir.
Sustainability is necessary for the future.
La durabilité est nécessaire pour l'avenir.
Sustainability is necessary for the future. That's the end of this video. Well done on finishing this lesson. Great job and congratulations. See you in the next video.